Ever wondered why some people seem to get everything they desire while others struggle? Could it be something more than just luck or hard work? Could it be the law of assumption at play? Welcome to our exploration of this fascinating principle that suggests a person's life is shaped by the assumptions they make. This could be assumptions about themselves, their capabilities, their limitations, the people around them, or even the world in general. Imagine a world where your thoughts and beliefs act as a mold for your reality. The law of assumption proposes just that. It's like a powerful magnet attracting experiences and situations that align with your assumptions. And it's not just about wishful thinking. It's about truly believing and embodying those assumptions, making them a part of your core belief system. So in essence, the law of assumption states that you can shape your reality by simply assuming the positive outcomes you desire. Interesting, isn't it? Now you may be thinking assuming something won't necessarily make it happen, right? Well, that's where the power of this law comes into play. The law of assumption isn't about simply wishing on a star or hoping for the best. It's about a profound and unwavering belief that what you desire is not just possible, but is already yours. It's about embodying the feeling of your desired outcome, not as a distant dream, but as a present reality. Consider this: the law of assumption is like stepping into a new pair of shoes. You don't just look at them and hope that they'll fit. You put them on, you walk around, you feel them on your feet. You assume they're your size, and they become a part of your reality. That's how the law of assumption works. You step into the reality of your desire. You walk around in it. You feel it. You live it. Science backs this up too. Neurological studies show that our brains can't distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. So, when you deeply visualize and feel your desired outcome as if it's already happened, your brain starts to believe it, and so does your reality. There's this old saying, believe it and you'll see it. That's the essence of the law of assumption. You're not just thinking about your desire. You're not just visualizing it. You're assuming it. You're living it. You're breathing it. You're making it a part of your reality. Now, don't mistake this for some sort of magical thinking. It's not about pretending or fooling yourself. It's about aligning your thoughts, your feelings, your actions with your desires. It's about shifting your perspective from wanting something to having it. When you assume something, you're not just thinking about it. You're living it, you're breathing it, you're making it a part of your reality. And that, dear listeners, is the power of assumption. Now that we understand what the law of assumption is and its power, how do we apply it to our lives? Let's start with a simple yet profound step: writing down what it is you desire. The act of writing serves as a tangible expression of your innermost desires. It's like creating a contract with the universe, stating that you believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that this aspiration will indeed materialize. So grab a piece of paper and a pen and write down that which you seek. It could be a promotion, a new car, a home, or any heartfelt desire that sparks a fire within you. Next, place this written declaration under your pillow. This might seem like a quirky step, but it's a powerful one. By placing your written desire under your pillow, you're literally sleeping on your dreams. Every night, you are subconsciously reinforcing your belief in your desires, and every morning, you wake up with your dreams at the forefront of your mind. Now let's move on to visualization. This is where you use your mind's eye to see yourself having what you desire. Visualize every detail, every color, every sensation associated with your desire. If it's a car you want, feel the leather of the steering wheel under your hands. Smell the new car aroma, hear the revving of the engine. The more vivid your visualization, the more your subconscious mind will believe it to be true. Finally, and most importantly, you must truly believe in your assumption. This isn't about wishful thinking or blind hope. It's about knowing, with every fiber of your being, that you deserve what you're assuming. You must feel worthy of your desires, because when you believe that you are deserving, the universe will mirror that belief back to you. Remember, the key to making the law of assumption work is to truly believe that you deserve what you're assuming. Embrace this belief, nurture it, and see it bloom into the reality you've always dreamed of. So, are you ready to change your life with the law of assumption? We've taken a deep dive into the wellspring of this law, unveiling its transformative power. We've learned how it works and its profound potential to shift our realities. We've journeyed through the vast expanse of our minds, where the seeds of our desires are sown and where the law of assumption takes root. The law of assumption is not just a theory or a fanciful idea. It's a potent tool that, when wielded with conviction, can manifest your desires into reality. It's about visualizing what you want, truly believing in its existence, and then assuming you already have it. Whether it's a promotion at work, a new car, or your dream home, you have the power to bring it into existence. Remember, the key to this is not just in the thinking, but in the believing. You must believe that you deserve to have what you desire. This is not about wishful thinking, but about knowing with absolute certainty that what you seek is already yours. It's about seeing yourself in possession of it, feeling the joy, the satisfaction, and the fulfillment that comes with it. In this journey of manifestation, the law of assumption is your compass, guiding you towards your desired destination. And the beautiful thing is, you're not just a passenger in this journey, but the captain of your ship. You have the power to steer your life in the direction of your dreams. So why not give it a try? Start small if you must, but start nonetheless. Write down your desire, place it under your pillow, and let your subconscious mind do the rest. You'll be amazed at the magic that unfolds. Your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to shape your reality. This is the essence of the law of assumption, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with it. So, don't be shy. Share your stories, your insights, your victories. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Your comments are important to us. Thank you for joining us today. Before we wrap up, we want to reinforce just how significant your engagement is to our community here. We hope you found this video insightful and empowering. As we delve into the depths of our minds and the power within us, we value your companionship on this journey. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to continue exploring with us, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our content creation. Don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you never miss a chance to expand your understanding. We are eager to hear your thoughts, questions, or experiences with the law of assumption. Your comments are not just important to us, they also help others in their journeys. So please leave them down below. Let's build a community of mindful, empowered individuals. Thank you for watching. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to shape your reality. Harness the power of assumption and let your dreams unfurl into existence. Until next time, stay inspired, stay empowered, and keep assuming your way to your best life.